Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to show you how to cook 2 smoked chickens on the Flaming Coals offset smoker. The first thing we're going to do to prepare our chickens is to butterfry them. Once the chickens are butterflied, it's time to apply your favourite rub. So today we're using 2 of my favourite rubs to use on chicken, the Flaming Coals Greek Gyros rub and the Kosmos Q Dirty Bird. Now that the chickens are all rubbed, it's time to pop it in the Flaming Coals offset, which we're set at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. To help regulate the temperature, we're using a combination of the Flaming Coals Tempmaster Pro, which is a fan control unit to help regulate the temperature, and we're combining that with the charcoal basket which sits inside the firebox. Now these 2 chickens have been beautifully smoked in our Flaming Coals Texas offset smoker. So this one here was rubbed with the Flaming Coals Gyros rub, and this one here was rubbed with our Kosmos Q Dirty Bird rub. The only thing left to do is to add the Flaming Coals classic barbecue sauce on the side.